So voice banking is a way to create a synthetic voice, but it's based on your own voice.
Voice banking is for someone who may lose their voice in the future, for example in motor neuron disease or progressive supranuclear palsy.
So you record a few sentences and the company then create a voice. It has all the characteristics like your accent, but it does still sound a little bit computery.
Voice banking enables people to keep a sense of their identity when they are losing their voices.
It really gives families a lot of support really, because they're able to support their loved ones, and their loved ones are able to communicate with them, telling them anything they need to, but also in a personal way, so it still sounds like them. Alongside voice banking, you can do some message banking, and that keeps the person's own speech, so the messages are literally recorded and then it will come out of the device in their own voice.
There are many different ways to voice bank.
So there are a few different sort of softwares you can use. One's called Acapella and one is called Speak Unique, which is using my voice today. As people lose the ability to speak, they have to maybe use a phone to communicate, or maybe something a little bit bigger like a tablet. Initially, especially in motor neuron disease, they might be able to use their hands to control this, but there may come a time where they have to use their eyes or potentially a head switch. There is a little bit of a time delay with this, so you have to wait for the person to type a message before they're able to say what they need to say. So I'll give an example.
Can I have a drink, please?
So as you can see, it does take a little bit longer than it would to say, but it is still a great way of letting people get their message across and to be able to make those requests.